Harbour Square provides stunning views of the Manila Bay and easy access to the scenic promenade, making it a popular spot for both locals and tourists. The area has a laid-back and relaxing ambience, with open spaces where visitors can unwind and appreciate the nearby water views. It's a great place to enjoy a leisurely meal or simply relax while taking in the scenery. Being close to Manila Bay, Harbour Square is a starting point for various recreational activities, including boating and sunset cruises. Visitors can enjoy the beauty of the bay and participate in water-based activities that enhance their experience. The Ecom Centers are a group of modern office buildings located within the Mall of Asia complex in Pasay City, Metro Manila. These centers are specifically designed to accommodate business process outsourcing, BPO, companies, and information technology firms, making them a significant part of the regional economic landscape. The Ecom Centers are equipped with modern facilities and infrastructure tailored for BPO operations and other business activities. This includes high-speed internet connectivity, advanced telecommunications systems, and ample office space to support various business functions. The buildings incorporate sustainable design principles, promoting energy efficiency and environmental friendliness. This commitment to sustainability aligns with the growing emphasis on green building practices in urban development. The Ecom Centers provide a conducive environment for business operations, driven by their strategic location and modern amenities. The proximity to other business establishments, as well as the availability of a skilled workforce in the area, makes these centers an attractive option for companies. The Ecom Centers benefit from excellent transportation links, including access to major thoroughfares, public transportation systems, and proximity to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. This ease of access facilitates convenient commuting for employees and clients. The overall Mall of Asia complex features various supporting infrastructure and services that enhance the business environment, including food courts, restaurants, and other service-oriented establishments that cater to both workers and visitors. The location fosters a community of businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs, encouraging networking, collaboration, and knowledge sharing among companies operating within the complex. The Ecom Centers in the Mall of Asia complex play a vital role in supporting the growth of the BPO industry and the broader business environment in the Philippines. Their modern facilities, strategic location, and integration with the amenities of the Mall of Asia make them an attractive choice for businesses looking to thrive in a dynamic urban setting. Walking along Manila Bay can be a refreshing and enjoyable experience, offering a blend of natural beauty, vibrant atmosphere, and cultural significance. As you walk along the promenade, you're greeted with stunning views of the bay, where the waters appear to stretch endlessly. The horizon is often painted with hues of blue and hints of green, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts. One of the highlights of walking along Manila Bay is witnessing the breathtaking sunsets. The sky transforms into a palette of oranges, pinks, and purples as the sun dips below the horizon, providing a picturesque backdrop that attracts many visitors. The sea breeze brings a refreshing sensation, especially in the early morning or late afternoon. It creates a relaxing atmosphere that encourages leisurely strolls and provides a welcome escape from the heat of the city. The well-maintained promenade features wide walkways and benches ideal for sitting and enjoying the view or people watching. It's common to see families, couples, joggers, and groups of friends enjoying the space together. As day turns to night, the Bay Area transforms with vibrant nightlife. Restaurants and bars along the waterfront come alive with music and lights, creating an inviting atmosphere for dining and socializing. Walking along Manila Bay is a delightful and enriching experience that combines stunning natural scenery, cultural vibrancy, and opportunities for relaxation and recreation. It provides a chance to appreciate the beauty of Manila and immerse yourself in the city's lively atmosphere. The SM MOA Eye is a prominent Ferris wheel located at the SM Mall of Asia complex in Pasay City, Metro Manila. It is one of the iconic attractions of the mall and has become a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Standing at approximately 60 meters, the SM MOA Eye is one of the tallest Ferris wheels in the Philippines. Its impressive height provides riders with breathtaking views of Manila Bay, the city skyline, and the surrounding areas. The Ferris wheel is equipped with 36 air-conditioned cabins, each designed to accommodate up to 6 passengers. The cabins are spacious and comfortable, ensuring a pleasant experience while enjoying the views. Taking a ride on the SM MOA Eye offers an unforgettable visual experience, especially during sunset when the sky colors transform over Manila Bay. The ride provides a unique perspective of the vibrant landscape, making it popular for photography and creating lasting memories. The SM MOA Eye is conveniently located within the SM Mall of Asia complex. SM Mall of Asia is one of the largest shopping malls in the Philippines and a prominent landmark located in the Bay City area of Manila. Opened in 2006, Mall of Asia was, at the time, the largest mall in the Philippines and one of the largest in the world, covering approximately 390,000 square meters of floor space. It consists of over 600 retail stores, a variety of dining options, and numerous entertainment facilities. The mall offers a diverse shopping experience with a wide range of local and international brands. Visitors can find everything from high-end luxury brands to popular retail chains. Mall of Asia features a vast array of dining establishments, including fast food, casual dining, and fine dining options. With numerous restaurants and cafes, visitors can enjoy a variety of cuisines from around the world. Mall of Asia offers a comprehensive shopping and entertainment experience, making it a favorite destination for both locals and tourists. Its combination of retail, dining, and recreational opportunities, along with its picturesque location by Manila Bay, contributes to its reputation as a must-visit attraction in Metro Manila. SM Group, formerly known as SM Investments Corporation, is one of the largest and most diversified conglomerates in the Philippines. Founded by Henry Sy in 1958, the SM Group has made significant contributions to the country's retail, banking, and property development sectors. The group is best known for its extensive retail operations, primarily through SM Supermalls. It operates more than 70 shopping malls across the Philippines, including iconic destinations like SM Mall of Asia, which is one of the largest malls in Asia. In addition to shopping malls, SM Group has a diverse retail portfolio that includes department stores, grocery chains, and specialty retailers. SM Department Store and SM Hypermarket are among the key retail formats under the SM Group, providing a broad selection of products from clothing to groceries. The SM Group has a significant presence in the banking sector through BDO Unibank, which is one of the largest banks in the Philippines. SM Group is also heavily involved in real estate development through its subsidiary, SM Development Corporation. The group has diversified its operations into the leisure and hospitality sector, with investments in hotels and resorts, such as Radisson Blu in Cebu and various other properties in collaboration with international hotel brands. SM Group has made significant investments in the food and beverage industry, owning and operating various brands, including the popular SM Food Court and food stalls in its malls offering diverse culinary options. Sky Garden at SM Mall of Asia is a distinctive outdoor situated on the rooftop of the mall, providing visitors with panoramic views of Manila Bay and the cityscape. This urban green space adds an appealing element to the overall shopping experience, providing a place for relaxation and leisure amidst the bustling environment of the mall. The Sky Garden is its design incorporates greenery, pathways, and seating areas, creating a refreshing oasis that contrasts with the urban setting. Benches and seating areas throughout the Sky Garden provide spaces for visitors to relax, socialize, or enjoy a moment of quiet contemplation. It's a perfect spot for gathering with friends, taking family photos, or enjoying a peaceful break during a shopping outing. One of the standout features of the Sky Garden is its stunning vantage point of Manila Bay. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking sunsets and views of the bay, making it a popular spot for photography and memorable experiences. The Sky Garden at SM Mall of Asia is a unique and inviting feature that enhances the shopping experience by offering a tranquil outdoor environment filled with greenery, beautiful views, and a space for social interaction. It exemplifies the blend of nature and urbanization, contributing to the overall appeal of the Mall of Asia complex as a top destination in Manila. The mall is home to various entertainment options, including a state-of-the-art cinema complex, an IMAX theater, bowling alleys, and an arcade. Additionally, the mall often hosts live events, concerts, and seasonal celebrations. Mall of Asia is close to cultural and recreational sites, including the Manila Bay promenade, where visitors can enjoy scenic views and sunsets. The mall's architecture incorporates elements that reflect Philippine culture, making it an integral part of the local landscape. The SM Mall of Asia Arena is a multi-purpose indoor arena located in the SM Mall of Asia complex. Opened in 2012, it is one of the leading venues for sports, concerts, and entertainment events in the country. The arena has a seating capacity of approximately 15,000, making it one of the largest indoor venues in the Philippines. IKEA Pasay City is a branch of IKEA, the renowned Swedish multinational company known for its modern, functional furniture and home goods. The store in Pasay City is significant as it marks IKEA's entry into the Philippine market, officially opened to the public in November 2021. The IKEA Pasay City store is one of the largest in the world, with a retail space of around 65,000 square meters. It follows IKEA's signature warehouse-style format, which allows for a vast range of product displays, from living rooms and kitchens to bedrooms and home accessories. IKEA offers a wide variety of products that focus on functionality, affordability, and contemporary design. The store features numerous showcase rooms that allow customers to experience different design ideas and layouts.